Okay, so this is a barbell box squat. You can actually still get away with using just a normal bench for this one. Just wheel the bench underneath it. It's the same thing. All you're doing is you're just working a little bit of support when you're at the bottom. Okay, so from here, set your grip. In terms of the grip, you can go high and wide, or low. It's honestly just no right or wrong. Just search for the video, high bar versus low bar in the catalog, and it'll make things easier for you. From here, I can pick my width. Once you've sorted your width out, stand up like a standard squat. Bring yourself back. Essentially, go through my 3 checks again. I go chest tall, stomach tight, and I go bottom in and I squeeze. From here, I'm just gonna sit until I get back to the box. And I come back up. I'm just gonna drive. Again, this could be a bench. There's no right or wrong. There is something that I need you to avoid, and that is untensing your core. This means your stomach and your bum by doing this. So if you sit back and you end up rounding, this isn't a good thing to be in, all right? It's not a good sign. So keep everything nice and tight whilst I'm here, okay? That's the fundamental, okay? So just making sure when I sit back, I don't untighten, because I just round. That's it.